In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join ChatGPT Discord. If you want to become part of the official community and keep up with conversations, updates, and resources, the process is pretty simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, open Discord and go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your servers and navigation options. If you're using the desktop app or the web version, the layout should look very similar, so these same directions will still apply. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand column and find the Discover section. This is the compass icon. Go ahead and click that. The Discover page is where Discord helps you find public communities, so this is the easiest way to search for the server you want. After that, click into the search bar and type in OpenAI. Make sure you spell it carefully so the right result appears. As you search, Discord will start showing matching communities. Give it a moment if the results take a second to load. When the server appears in the results, click on it to open the server page. This will take you into the community so you can start the joining process. Depending on Discord's current interface, you may see a preview first, but the idea is the same. Select the OpenAI server when it comes up. Once you enter, you'll land in the verification channel. This is a normal part of joining many larger Discord communities, and it helps keep the server safe and organized. In that channel, click on the option that says Verify with OpenAI. After you click it, a new browser window will open so you can verify your account. In the browser window, look for the button labeled Start Verification and click it. From there, just follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the process. Be sure to read each message carefully so you don't miss anything during verification. After that's done, you should be able to access the server normally. If anything doesn't appear right away, give Discord a few moments to refresh or reopen the server and check whether verification has finished successfully. That's all it takes to join the ChatGPT Discord server. If you're following along in real time, just take it one screen at a time and you should be in without any trouble.